This is Foxtel Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks. On this video, I want to talk about a new challenge that I want to start for this channel. So basically, the challenge is going to be called the Stimulus Check Stock Challenge. Stimulus Check Stock Challenge. Stimulus Check Stock Challenge. And basically, what this challenge is going to be is, I'm going to take my full stimulus check, all right? I'm going to take this check right here. This is my full stimulus check. You already know. If you see a 20 in here, so basically, the Stimulus Check Stock Challenge, I'm gonna take my stimulus check and I'm gonna put it in the stock market. The time frame I'm thinking of is 2 weeks to 1 month. So from about 2 weeks to a month, I'm going to put my stimulus check into the stock market and I'm gonna see what we can do with it. Now I know what you guys are thinking, probably think I'm crazy. Why am I doing this with my stimulus check? Well, I believe in my investing capability. I believe in myself and I believe in making my money work for me. So why not? And it's also something I wanted to do for the channel. I wanted to show you guys what we can do with some coins and possibly what not to do. This is Black Girl Stocks, and I basically created this channel for everyday people to learn how to buy and sell stocks, to get encouraged into investing into the stock market. And I feel like this is a great opportunity to, try something with you guys. This is gonna be our first challenge. And I really want you guys to be like on the bandwagon with what goes on with this challenge. So I'm really excited about it. Like, you don't understand. I'm really excited about it. I've been waiting on this for a couple of weeks. I've been thinking about it. And so I'm really happy to provide you guys with this information. Basically, these are going to be the rules of the challenge, because we're not just gonna go into the challenge with no plan, because you all know the saying, if you fail to plan, plan to fail. So we are gonna go in with a little plan and a little strategy in hand. So first of all, we're only gonna focus on maybe 3, 4 to 5 stocks that we really have a really good stance on, that have a really good track record. I feel like these stocks are gonna go up. These are stocks that I'm comfortable investing in, and just in these stocks. I'm not worried about what's going on in the market. I'm gonna focus on these stocks. So I already have a couple of stocks that I like right now. So yeah, we're gonna focus on those. Outside of focusing on 4 to 5 good stocks, we're not gonna add any more money into the account at this time. So everything that's gonna be in our portfolio is gonna be what was already in there before we added our stimulus check, and then the stimulus check, and that's gonna be it. So the only thing that we're gonna be trading with during this time is our actual stimulus check, what was already in there, and then the profits from that. We're not putting anything else. Don't put 10% of your paycheck in it, nothing. Just keep it as it is. This is an experiment. This is a challenge. And I'm willing to step up to the challenge and build this money up. We're not gonna add any new money into the account during the challenge. And that way we can just keep track of everything that we have going on with the challenge. I don't wanna put too much in there and blow my account up and lose track of what I'm focusing on. I'm focusing on what we can do with the stimulus check. So really adding anything extra into it is just gonna cause confusion. So just leave it in there. Just leave the check in there and call it a day. And basically, this is what's gonna be the bread and butter of the challenge. So for this challenge, we are going to have a goal of 10% portfolio profit per week, and then leave it alone. Don't touch it after that. So after you make your 10% profit, cut it. So, all right, look, let me show you an example. The best way I can do is to show you an example. All right, so let's go ahead and open up Robinhood, okay? And all right, we're looking at my portfolio right now. So this is without my stimulus check in it. As of now, this is without the stimulus check. So we're looking at my account right now without the stimulus check in it. And you see on the week, we were up 11%. So a little bit over actually. So for what I already had in my account, $44 on the week is enough for me to just say, okay, I'm good. I'm happy with my profits, and cut it at that. Cut the losses. Don't get greedy with it. We're starting this small. So you're going to see that small increment grow and grow and grow each week. And once you get that snowball effect going, it's going to be crazy after that. You're not going to have to work your job anymore. So but yeah, so we're up 10% on the week. So you can either get, this was over a week's time. You see, we had a okay, so I see what happened. Actually, if you see here, I was really up 27%, and then the stock market dropped crazy on Friday. So I was up in my 10. So I really should have stopped at my 25% and, sold my stock, but I was holding on to this ETF, so that's on me. Like, if we do this right, we'll get a cute little chunk back from our stimulus check if we do this right. So 10% profit per week and cut it at that. If you get losses, look, here's the thing I'm gonna tell you about the losses, all right? So when I talk about having more strategy with your trades, let's go to Apple, all right? Let's just go to Apple stock. And you see that Apple stock is $290 per share, right? So if you bought that, you don't wanna lose, let's say for this challenge, we really don't need to lose any more than 5% of our portfolio on any trade that we're doing. So if your portfolio is $400, what's 5% of $400? Like $20. So on this trade, you buy this Apple stock for $290, right? It doesn't need to go anything lower than 270 for you to not lose your 5%. You can map out your losses. You can minimize your losses by knowing what's the maximum amount you're willing to lose on a trade and put a stop order in at that price so that if the stock falls anything below that, it's gonna automatically sell it for you and you can save yourself from losing all of that money. And so that's actually gonna take me into the next topic that I was gonna go to. We're never gonna buy stocks in real time. We're not gonna buy options or stocks or anything in real time. And basically, when you buy a stock in real time, that's just buying it at market value. So whatever the stock is, like, let's just go to the stock that I have, Eat, or Brinker. They have shares of, I think they run Chili's and Maggiatos or something. The food is crazy. They're like, I was really hoping the stock was gonna do better, but it's falling right now, but that's understandable due to the times that we have. Nobody's going out to eat. But anyways, all right, so when I say buying a stock in real time, this is what we're gonna do. Open up your app. I know you saw the last video on how to download Robinhood. I'm pretty sure you already have it on your phone. If you don't, click the box above and watch that video real quick. But let's get into the app. Click on trade and click buy. And so you see here, it's already giving you the market price. That's buying it in real time, which we do not want to do. So they're giving you a price of $22. And let's say you may want to buy it at 20. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click up here in the top right-hand corner to market order. And you see they're gonna give you different order type. So I'm really not gonna go through all of these, but they give you a different list. You have market order, limit order, trailing stop order, or stop limit order. And so let's just go over those. But yeah, if the stock isn't at that price when the market opens, then you can decide whether or not you want to buy it, if it's going to be a good deal for you or not. So I really enjoy doing that, not buying stocks in real time. And also with that, I don't sell stocks in real time either. So when I buy a stock, I usually go ahead and put in some type of means to sell the stock. I already set up my maximum loss amount that I want. So if I don't want to lose anything more than 10%, let's go back into the app and click on trade and go to sell. Go right back up here to the top right. And what I like to use is I use a stop order. And so if the stock falls below a certain price, which is my calculated amount of losing anything more than 5%, it's gonna automatically sell my shares. Like, there's really no excuse. There's no way that you can lose more than you want to if you set up your strategies and your plays correctly. That's why I said you have to strategize with this, and you really can't lose. I mean, you can, but you can decide how much you lose in this. So that's what I really enjoy about strategizing, and that's what we're gonna do for this challenge, the stimulus check stock challenge. And I don't see where we can go any wrong. I don't see where we can go wrong here. It's a great way to get invested. This is a way you can go, and you really don't even have to put your entire stimulus in. You can put half of it, you can put 200 of it, or you really don't have to put any. You can just sit back and enjoy what we're doing here on the channel and see what we do with the check. And then you can decide what you want to do going forward for yourself. So, you know, we're teaching each other how to fish here, and I really like that aspect. So if you found this information helpful, please click the like button if this is your first time watching my video. Welcome to the channel. and please click the subscribe button. Also click that bell so you'll get notified anytime we put up a new video, especially for this challenge. You're gonna want to know what's going on. We're gonna start on the top of the week, so it's the beginning of the month, and I'm ready, baby. I'm ready to see what we have going on. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if you think you're interested in jumping in and joining us with the stimulus check stock challenge, then leave a comment below. Let me know if you're down with the crew. And yeah, but other than that, I really don't have anything else going on, so I'll probably hit you guys up and we'll talk more about what's going on with the account, and I'll give you a little bit more information about like what we want to do. I'll check in with you guys later and let you know what's going on with the account. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time with Black Girl Stocks. All right.